Hi. Come on, Bougie. Let's go play with the bell. Hi, Destiny likes her bell. Look, Destiny, your boyfriend. My boyfriend. Isn't that sweet? She's kissing her boyfriend. And a kiss, 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 and a love, love, love. Shiffy. And a kiss, 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 and a love, love, love. I Shiffy. And a kiss, 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 and a love, love, love. I won't turn him on because he drives people crazy. Ah, yeah, you bougie. You bougie. Bougie. You bougie, bougie. I love you. And a kiss, 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 and a love, love, love. You and me. Yes, indeed. Come and do the next one. Yes, it's true. Viagra. Oh my God. I'm doing a video with a bird and they said Viagra. Destiny doesn't want Viagra. Destiny doesn't need Viagra. Knock on the door, Destiny. Open. Open the door. Look. Knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Twice on the post. Look at the Destiny beaker. Oh my darling. Open the door, Destiny. Budgie Viagra. See the pretty horsey? That's a black horse. See, now there's a Zenyatta. This is mirrors or smoke, and that's smoke or mirrors. It's one or the other. Which is it, Destiny? Who's that doorknob? Destiny's doorknob. Boogie, 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 boogie. She's flying. Yeah, right. Okay, Diva. Open the door. Open the door. No, don't bite the door. Destiny, 1 plus 1 is... Come on. What is 1 plus 1? No, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, she's holding on to it with her feet. Here's your pushy. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 100. Yeah. Hang on there, baby. You know you're hitting yourself with it, Destiny. Oh, the joy of being a hen. She's kissing it and talking to it. Yeah. Ah, are you feeding it? Oh my God, she's feeding it. She discovered that she likes noisemakers, and this is a noisemaker. Oh my, it's stuck. Ah! Holy mackerel! Why'd you do that? Look at this. What a Destiny. Oh, are you gonna fall? Not if I can help it. I rescued you. Okay, it's enough violence for today. Go take your violence out in your own cave.